Today, my dear brothers and sisters, we celebrate the memorial of one of the saints who reformed, or who was part of the Reformation of the Church during the modern times, in the name of Saint Francis de Sales. And we are also joined today in this our Eucharistic celebration with our brothers and sisters from Zambales, as they also celebrate and remember the prayers and the intercession of Ina Poon Bato. And for those who would like to pray to her image, the image of Ina Poon Bato is available for veneration inside the St. Pius Chapel, just on your right before you enter the cathedral. If there are words or a statement that could probably summarize our readings for today, I would readily go to the response that we all said a while ago in the responsorial psalm. And we said the words, "Forever I will maintain my love for my servant. Sa Kanya mananatili ang aking pag-ibig." Hindi naman po kailanman natin pinagdadamot ang pag-ibig ng Diyos. Mahal niya ang mga mabubuti, gayon din ang mga masama. Mahal niya ang mahihirap, gayon din niya kamahal ang mga may kaya. Mahal ng Diyos ang lahat na nilikha niya sa mundo, kaya gayon din yung kanyang natatanging pagmamahal sa pinakamagandang nilikha niya, ang tao, ikaw at ako. And in all of His creation, He wished to make this love be known and to dwell in. But the Lord wishes to have this present entirely to a person like you and me who deserve it the most. And that is how God is maintaining His love for His servant. His servant, that is you and me. God's covenant to David is God's love for him. Hindi naman ito pinaramdam ng Diyos sa isang halaman, sa isang bagay, sa isang hayop, o sa anumang mga bagay. Nilinaw niya at ipinahayag niya ang kanyang pag-ibig sa tao, sa kanyang lingkod, sa kung sino ang nararapat makatanggap at makayakap nito at makaintindi nito ng buo. Likewise, much as well, when Jesus spoke of the seed planted by the sower, yes, the seed can be everywhere. It can be for everyone. But its best destination, the best seedbed, is at the heart of each and every one of us. God's word, His seed, can be for everyone, but it is specially for all of us. My dear brothers and sisters, God can be anywhere. God can make His will known to each and every one of us, to all of His creation. But He wanted to be specially for you every day. While remaining fair and good to every creation, He is much gracious to shower His love and His dedication, His seeds, to humans like you and me. Because the perfect receiver and destination of God's graciousness is no other than you and me. That is how He is maintaining His love to each and every one of us. We are not the ones working on or maintaining this love, but it will always be the Lord who will maintain this love. much as He is willing to share this divine life. Every time that we are directed by the Lord to wherever we wish, by every moment kung saan tayo ay pinapalinawan at binibigyang daan ng Panginoon, that is His way of maintaining His love for us. Nasa Diyos, nais ng Diyos na mapanatili ang pag-ibig na ito sa atin at gagawa siya ng paraan paano mapapatibay ito. Sana po, mapalabanan, mapaalalahanan tayo nito. Harinawa, magustuhan din po natin ito. At sa pagpapatuloy ng buhay, mapatibay po sana tayo ng pag-ibig na ito.